Hello kids, we are on exercise 11a, chapter 11, that is ratio. Okay, yesterday we have seen question number 1, A, B, C. There are different types of questions, also homeworks have been given. Alright, so now today we are going to see question number 2. If you can see question number 2 is there, okay. So a field is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide. Find the ratio of its width to its length. Alright. So I have solved the question. A field is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide. Find the ratio of the width of its length. So if you will see, this is the field. Since it is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide, this clearly indicates that it's a rectangle. So 80 meter long and 60 meter wide means this is length and this is breadth. Always remember, length is always greater than breadth. Okay. So 80 meter is length and 60 meter is breadth, that is width. Find the ratio of width to its length. Always remember, this is very important. Width to its length means you have to write width to length. You by mistake also please don't write length to width, because we are habitual of saying length breadth. So I'll write length and then breadth. No, it's not allowed. Whatever is the ratio asked in the question, find the ratio of width to its length. So find the ratio of width to its length only. Do not write width to length only. Do not write length to width. You will get 0 marks in the exam. Okay. So the ratio is width to length, that is 60 is to 80. You know that we can write 60 upon 80, that is 60 meter upon 80 meter. Meter gets cancelled. 0 with 0 gets cancelled. 6 and 8 comes in which table? 2's table. So 2 3's are and 2 4's are. 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8. So 3 by 4, that is 3 is to 4 is the ratio required. That is width to length. Remember, in exam it can be length to its width. Don't think that time that miss has given wrong question. So in exam it can be anything. Find the ratio of length to its width. So question number 3, we are not doing it. We have cancelled it. That is true or false. Such types of questions are not asked in the exams also. Alright. So question number 4 and 5 are homework. Please go through question number 4 and 5. And question number 6 is find the ratio between 3.5 meter, 475 centimeter and 2.8 meter. Okay. We have to find ratio of these three numbers. 3.5 meter is to 475 centimeter is to 2.8 meter. I had told you that you cannot compare the numbers which are of different units. So first step is, this is meter, this is centimeter and this is again meter. So convert this meters into centimeters. Okay, so I have converted 3.5 meter into centimeter. Now all these three are in centimeters. Okay, all these three are in centimeters. How I have converted meter to centimeter? You know, multiplying it by 100. 3.5 multiply by 100. 475 is already in centimeters. So no need to convert. Keep it as it is. And 2.8 meters. So convert it into centimeter. So it is 2.8 multiplied by 100. So here you can write multiply by 100. Okay. So 3.5 multiplied by 100 gives me 350 is to 475 is to 280. Okay. Now you know that all these three numbers, 350 is to 475 is to 280, can be divided by 5. Can be divided by 5, because you know that ratio should be always done in lowest form. Okay. So 350, so divided by 5, I get 70. 350 divided means just cancellation, children, here. 350 divided by 5, 475 divided by 5, 280 divided by 5. So 5 sevens are 35, 5 nines are 45, and 5 fives are 25. 280 divided by 5. You divide each number by 5 because these all three are divisible by 5, and final ratio which you get is 70:95:56. Now let's see last question of this exercise. Find the ratio between 5 dozen and 2 scores. 1 score equals to 20. 5 dozen ratio, you have to find ratio of 5 dozen to 2 scores. Now here dozen and score, these are also units, children. Like we have centimeter, meter, there is dozen and scores are also units. Okay, so you must have heard 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen. Okay, so 5 dozen, 1 dozen is 12 articles and 1 score means 20 articles. Okay, 1 dozen means 12 things. For example, if I am buying mangoes, so 1 dozen, 1 dozen means 12 mangoes. 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas they will give us. 1 dozen mango, 12 mangoes they will give. 1 score means 20 articles, whatever you purchase. Okay, so I have to convert this into articles. So 5 dozen, 5 multiplied by 12, and 2 scores means 2 multiplied by 20. So what I have done here is, I have cancelled it here, divided here directly, or you can go through this also. 5, 12, because why 5 multiplied by 12? Because 1 dozen means 12. So 5 dozen means 5 multiplied by 12. Similarly, 1 score means 20. So 2 scores means 2 multiplied by 20. So 5 12s are 60, that is 12 5s are 60, and 2 20s are 40. 0 with 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 3 by 2, that is 3:2. Okay. Remember these things. These are important ones. You have to learn by heart. 1 dozen is 12 and 1 score is 20. Alright, children. I hope you have understood, and you have to complete your notebooks properly, neatly and correctly. Please keep your notebooks updated every day. And actually what problem I am facing is, after every 3-4 days I get that video is removed, that video is not there, I have not seen. So please be updated. Whenever video is posted, whenever video is uploaded, please see it within 2 days and understand it. Okay, then you won't be facing problems. If you will continuously regularly watch videos, you will not miss anything. But once in a while, after 3-4 days, you get up and you think that today we'll do maths, that won't work, children. Remember this thing. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Please keep your notebooks ready as you were doing it in school. Thank you so much. Goodbye.